Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Tales by Kashish. I hope you all are doing great. It's been 3-4 days that we haven't posted anything for you because I thought that you guys may need some time for your preparation or for completing your backlogs because I was not able to say enough responses. But now, when I feel like you have come back better, so we are starting with our day 13 of DSA series for Hack with MP 2025. If I talk about today's topic, I was about to make a video over greedy algorithm. However, I felt that we should start with tree first, then heaps, and then we can proceed with greedy. There are some reasons for that, but I guess it's enough. Like, we need to do tree anyways, so we can do it prior to greedy algorithm. So today I'm considering that the people who are watching this series is not much familiar about trees, because if I talk about the people of your age, there are times that people spend so much time on linear data structure that they do not spend much time on non-linear data structure. So considering that, I'm making this video, that considering that you people know very less about trees. So if I talk about the basic topics that you need to cover, then you should know the terminologies like node, edge, height, depth, degrees. After that, if I talk about binary trees, you should know its type. If it's completed, it's perfect, it's queued, or it's full, or etc. Other types too. You should know about them. And if you talk about properties, you should know about parent, child, descendant, ancestors, siblings, lead nodes. You should know about that. Okay. Now, if we talk about traversals, there are several types of traversals that you should know. There is pre-order traversal, post-order traversal, in-order traversal, level order traversals, and these can be achieved using either recursion or iteration. So you should know about it. It is important to know this. Okay, so do cover this out. Also, before going further, I forget to mention this. We are going to complete trees in 3 days. Today we are trying to cover up all the basic, or you know base topics, which will help you tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to cover BST, and after that we are going to cover ABL, red tree, important topics day after tomorrow. Okay, so we are going to cover trees in 3 days. So this is part one of trees. Okay, after that, there are key operations that you should know to find out diameter, depth, size, height, or there is one important question to find maximum path sum in binary tree. After that, you should be able to know that if a binary tree is balanced or unbalanced. You should know about these terms too and how to find this. Okay, so this is something you need to cover today. If we talk about key focus areas, then you need to solve certain type of questions by recursion first, and then further you should try to solve it using iteration also. Okay, this will help you solve a single type of question in two different ways, and also it will help you to brainstorm that question a lot. Further, you should practice all type of traversals, be it pre-order, in-order, post-order, or level traversal. Then you should be able to know and understand the time and space complexity under the trees. Since we have learned linear data structures till now, we should be able to understand the complexities related to non-linear data structures as well. So do consider that also. Try to include helper functions in your code. That will surely help you optimize your code and make your code clean. Further, you need to cover edge cases like skewed trees or empty trees. You need to make cases like this in the certain types of questions. Okay, if we talk about questions of the day, these are the same topics that we have mentioned earlier. You need to cover all types of traversals. You need to know how to find height of a binary tree, how to find diameter of a binary tree, how to find maximum path sum in binary tree, and check if a tree is balanced tree or not. So this is all I needed to mention for day one of trees. Tomorrow we are going to come up with binary search tree topics, but for today this much is something you need to cover. Also, I'm going to share some tips that you should keep in your mind when you are doing non-linear data structure or trees maybe. So I'm going to share it in your Telegram group. Do check it out. And those who haven't joined Telegram group, it is mentioned in the description. Also, it is mentioned in the bio of our YouTube channel. You can go and join that channel. Now, for those who are already a part of it, share this series with your friends, because we are here to help you guys to crack Hack with Infi 2025. Also, be regular with your coding skills, because you are left with very less time. Now you need to prepare the topics, you need to revise them too, and you need to practice as many questions as much you can. So do as many questions, code well, मौज करो, कोड करो. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग एट टेक एंड टेल्स बाय कशिश. मिलते हैं कल इसी टाइम एक नए वीडियो के साथ. बाय बाय.